Now, hello students. In the last class, we studied about how France came to know the real truth that why Mr. M. Hamel was wearing that fine suit on that particular day. So now we are moving toward our the next paragraph. In last class, we studied till here, and we have to start this last paragraph of the page. It is said that poor man, it was in honor of this last lesson that he had put on his fine Sunday clothes. Now, what is Franz saying? Franz is saying that he's saying that poor man, it was in honor of his last lesson. He was saying about Mr. M. Hamel that he just is going to the last lesson. He is going to the last lesson of his French class, and that's why he's considering this day a very special day, and that's why he is wearing that particular new clothes, the Sunday clothes. And now I understood why old men of the village were sitting there in the room of the in the back of the room. It was because they were sorry too that they had not gone to school more. It was their way of thanking our master for his 40 years of faithful service and of showing their importance for the country that was theirs no more. So what is Franz saying? Franz is saying that I have understood very well that why Mr. M. Hamel was wearing that particular dress, and he is also saying that he understood that the villagers were showing respect to the teacher, the teacher who just gave the service of 40 years in that particular school, and he was very faithful throughout his career whenever he was in the school. And that too, he considered that all the villagers were very respectful to the teacher also, and now they were very sorry also that they will not be able to join the school. They will not be able to see the school which ran in the French pattern. Now the Germany will be capturing the school, and the whole education system will be German. So now he proceeds to the further he proceeds by saying that while I was thinking of all this, I heard my name called. It was my turn to recite. Now when Franz was thinking all this thing, then he thought that somebody had called his name. And who was that? Mr. M. Hamel called his name, and now it was his turn to recite something that was written in French. It was my turn to recite. What would I not have given to be able to say that dreadful rule of the participles all through, very loud and clear and without one mistake? But I got mixed up on the first word and stood there holding on to my desk, my heart breathing and not daring to look up. Now what does Franz say? Franz says that I tried to just learn everything. I tried to speak whatever I wanted to in my full strength, but I started messing up with my words, the French lesson, because I hardly knew anything about the French lesson. Now here it is written, I heard M. Hamel say to me, I won't scold you, little Franz. You must feel bad enough. Bad enough. See how it is. Every day we have said to ourselves, "By a plenty of time, I will learn it tomorrow." And now you see where we have come out. Now, what does Franz say? Franz say that now Mr. MML says that I won't scold you. That he is not going to scold little Franz. And he also saying that every day we were telling that we are going to fulfill our terms, we are going to fulfill our duties the next day. But now the next day has arrived, and there will be no next day for the day which is just running today, because this day, on this very day, there is an order from Germany, from Berlin, that from tomorrow French will not be taught in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. So the day which we were waiting for, every day we used to say that tomorrow, every day we used to say that tomorrow, but now that tomorrow will not come ever. And see how careless we were to learn our language, to learn French, but now there is no tomorrows. That is the theme of the whole paragraph, that there will not be tomorrow, and whenever we say tomorrow, there can be a day where there will be no meaning of tomorrow. So we will be proceeding from next paragraph in the next classes. Thank you for then. Just go through the chapter and learn it the difficult terms.